Your passion and hobby cannot be paid and they cannot be made profession, but that's a myth because around your hobby and passion, you can make a great career. So in this video, we are going to decode what are the 5 key elements to play around your strength, whatever passion, whatever hobby you have, and make a great career. So if you are a student watching this video, make sure you watch to the end so that get insight and make a great career. If you are parents watching this video, make sure you share this with your child so that he or she can achieve something great in their life. This is Maurya SN here, your goal clarity and success mindset coach with 27 plus years of professional journey. Now I'm on a mission to help 1 million young minds to become super achievers who can contribute in global economy significantly. Let's dive. As you can see, these are the 5 key elements we are going to decode one by one how your passion and hobby can be mapped to the great career via strength analysis. So let's decode one by one. So first thing you need to understand, if you have just degree is going to limit you. But if you play around your strength, if you identify your strength, is going to liberate you, is going to be limitless, right? So there are 2 things we need to understand: academic qualification and a professional qualification. Academic qualification is something you get based on the syllabus, what the institute is looking for. Based on your knowledge on that syllabus, you'll get that degree, you get that grades, you get that marks. That's your academic qualification. Professional qualification is something what the organization, what is the business, what is the industry they are looking for. They may not be 100% same, right? Because of course they need a basic knowledge, but professional qualification is more around the experimental knowledge, is your real life skills that can add value, that can be paid, right? We need to understand so that we do not mix with your degree and your professional qualification, right? You do what you love. So it's very important, because when you are doing what you are loving, you are playing around your strength. So this is very important to make sure you find your strength upfront and you keep doing, because you are going to love it and you can do it. Love what you do and do what you love. There's insight, no hidden message here, because what happened, that plays around your strength, because that's how you can keep on loving what you are doing. If this is not aligned to your strength, you will not able to love what you are doing. So this is very important term that you should understand. So this is the first element. Now go to second element. In order to understand what is the strength all about, we need to decode it, so that then only you will be able to identify what is your strength, what is your superpower as a student, right? So there are key term that you need to decode. First thing, ability. Ability is basically your natural tendency, what you can do easily without getting tired, right? You are gifted. This is one thing. Second is your interest. Interest is something, any work that excites you, right? When you are doing, you'll get a lot of energy. And third thing that you need to understand is demonstrated your success. Means already you did something on that particular area. You did something out of your interest or hobby or your passion, and you're successful. You already got results. Feedback means you did something, your family, friends, they appreciate that you are good in that area, you are good in communication, you are good in leadership, you are good in coding. You have a lot of feedbacks around your work. And fifth part, you need to understand self-reflection. When you go deep, when you reflect about your couple of years, 5 years, what have been you doing, if there's a particular pattern you can see that by performing in this area, you have continuous success. You are already getting a lot of results, right? So that is your strength. So anything which mapped with your ability, with your interest, you have demonstrated success, you have a feedback, you have a self-reflection. So if all 5 key elements are validated, if they are in place, that is your superpower, that's your strength. All right, now just decode the third pillar, because now you identify what is your strength, So third pillar is how you can get into the career around your strength, right? How can you map your strength into career, right? So that you are paid. So very important if you want to make great career, achieve something extraordinary, right? So first element is very important. You should have a purpose, right? What is the purpose? Purpose is something, right? So your solves bigger problem, right? Means is bigger than you are doing something which is bigger than you are solving some problem which is bigger than you, which can create a sparks in your daily life. Yeah, okay, I am doing something great, I'm solving some big problem for the society, for the people, for the country, right? That's your purpose, right? So first thing is around your strength, find a bigger purpose. What is next step? Next step is to find a problem. What is the problem that you want to address? What is the problem that you want to solve in terms of your products or services which are going to helpful, needed and useful for the society or your people, right? So identify the problem. This is second step. What is the third step? Third step is find out there's a potential, right? Because not everything that you are doing can be a potential. There's potential. So there's potential in the market, so that no there's a growth, right? It's like the coming era, there's going to lot of green revolution, right? Green energy and the e-vehicle, lot of things you can find out there's potential, there's growth in particular area. What is the fourth step? Fourth step is validate or identify based on your strength, based on your purpose, based on the problem that you are going to solve, based on their potential that you find, is the market is going to pay for you? Is the market ready to pay you? If all four points are aligned, there is no way that someone can stop you to pursue a great career and you can achieve something great life. All right. So far now you identified your strength, your purpose, everything, right? Now how you are going to grow your career, go your in terms of business or profession, whatever you do, right? So in order for a growth, you are going to build ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? Suppose you have chosen of sports, right? In sports ecosystem, maybe your events, maybe your products, maybe a training. So you have to find what is in particular area, how to build an ecosystem, build a network, so that no, you are connected, you can serve more people and associate and collaborate with this no in same area, in same domain where you have found your strength, right? And build your credibility through your knowledge, your certification, your value creation, your success, right? Because unless you have credibility in the marketplace, people will not recognize you, people will not ready to pay for you, right? And fourth element, learn and say what you do is very important, because unless you keep on learning in particular your area, you will not grow. So keep on learning in your area and keep on sharing in the social media or marketplace, so that you are visible, you are recognized. What is the last element? Last element is very important, because normally when as a student want to pursue some hobby or passion, so parents plays a key role. Sometimes parents may come from the old mindset, from their previous experiences, previous knowledge. As a parent, there are few things we need to take care of, because this is something unconventional. Everybody is changing their just job, getting just fast surviving. But if you want to make extraordinary career, you have to come out of that race. So few things as a parent you need to understand is encourage experimentation. Initial phase, let the child experiment, because unless he or she, you will not know that what is their strength, what is their zone, what is their sweet spot, right? Where they can bloom, where they can succeed. As a parent, we need to detach from the social tag, name, fame, money, power, just leave out of that tags. Because in any area, if you become extraordinary, if you succeed, it will be recognized. For example, just cooking. Who cares cooking? But no, the best chef, they are celebrities. To what level you take your profession or career, that's more important. Third thing as a parent that you need to understand is avoid comparison. And many times, no, we look around with your family, friends, society, somebody is doing very well, they have a lot of name, fame, money. We start comparing with your child, directly, indirectly. Because if you are comparing, you are killing their motivation, their no strength. Everybody is unique. All of human being, they are born with a unique thumbprint, right? How can all the people be the same place? No. And fourth thing that as a parent you can take care of is recognize and support unique strength. Whatever unique strength your child have, whatever unique passion, hobby child has, recognize it, right? Just give recognition. Okay, this is good. Let's explore. Let's experiment. Let's find. Because unless somebody explore, no, you'll not get to know whether it's going to work or not, isn't it? So this is the fourth point that as a parent need to take care of. Fifth point, very important: celebrate the smaller efforts, celebrate the wins. Because more you celebrate, more you recognize, more a child will get power to do more and get something better and achieve something more. Hope you get a lot of value. If you want similar videos, similar resources, you can subscribe the channel to get the resources. Also, you can browse mauryasn.co.in, where you can download a lot of resources in self-discovery kit and success mindset guide. A lot of resources, free resources, you can use that to take your career to next level. Also, I invite you to attend my free FutureProof Career MasterClass, wherein I decode top 3 secrets to make any child, yourself or your child, a super achievers. So you can click on the link, enroll there. With this, I sign up. Thank you so much. See you there.